Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can enable background noise cancellation on your iPhone. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, make sure that your mobile device is updated to the latest version available. Note that this feature is only available for devices that have iOS version 16 and above. Now, open the dialer app on your mobile device and call any person from your contact list. This could be a friend, family member, or even a colleague. After calling them, open the control center from the top right corner of your screen. There, you will find a feature called Mic Mode. Simply tap on it and a bunch of options will be displayed. You have three choices: standard, voice isolation, and wide spectrum. Standard mode is the default setting. Voice isolation is designed to focus on your voice and minimize background noise. Wide spectrum mode captures ambient sounds along with your voice. Simply select voice isolation from the menu and noise cancellation will get enabled. Your voice will now be much clearer to the person on the other end, even if you are in a noisy environment like a busy street or a crowded cafe. So that's basically how you can enable background noise cancellation on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.